Hi everyone, Fame here. Today, share ko sa inyo ang naging experience ko sa 20 peso cashback promo ng Vibe app kapag ginamit ito para magpa-load ng beep card. Sinubukan ko to ng 2 beses. So, I was expecting a total of 40 peso cashback. Pero itong nangyari. Ayon sa promo, kung mag-load ka ng beep card gamit ang Vibe app, you'll get 20 peso cashback per transaction. Sabi rin sa terms, the cashback will be credited within 3 to 5 banking days. So, noong June 12, Independence Day, nagpa-load ako ng total of 600 pesos, 300 peso each for 2 beep cards. Ang goal ko, makuha yung 40 peso cashback. Pero ito hindi ko na-expect dahil may 10 pesos convenience fee per transaction na short tuloy yung available balance ko. Akala ko sapat na yung 600 pesos. But because of the fee, I had to transfer an extra 20 pesos para maging successful yung 2 transaction. Sayang din yun, no? Lalo na kung di mo agad nakita yung breakdown ng charges. Fast forward 5 banking days, wala pa rin yung cashback. Naghintay pa ako ng konti, tapos tumawag na ako sa customer service noong June 23. That's 7 banking days later. Ang sabi, still under verification daw. Ngayon, July 15 na. Last day na ng promo. And I just called them again. Same response pa rin, processing. Speaking of the fee, wala siya sa promo terms and conditions. Lalabas lang siya right before confirmation sa end part ng transaction. To be fair, marami na rin naman talagang mga apps ngayon na may convenience fee, lalo na for services like this. Pero, sana mas clear pa rin upfront. So kung isipin mo, for every 20 pesos cashback, 10 pesos na agad ang nabawas for the fee. 10 peso net lang talaga kung may bibigay pa yung cashback. But honestly, I'm still hoping na makredit pa rin yung cashback soon. Kasi kahit 10 pesos lang yung net, not bad na rin. Lalo na ngayon na wala naman halos ibang app na nagbibigay ng ganitong promo para sa beep card. And let's be real, every peso counts. So ang tanong, would I recommend it? Depende. Kung okay sa'yo ang convenience and willing kang magbayad ng maliit na fee, Vibe can be a good option. Pero kung priority mo ang immediate savings or clarity sa fees, best to read carefully and manage expectations. Lesson learned, always check the full process. Sometimes the most important info is hidden in the fine print. Or worse, lumalabas lang right before you hit confirm. Thanks for watching. If nakatulong tong video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments kung may similar experience ka rin. See you in the next video.